Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. I'm here with Shane. Welcome aboard.
G'day mate, how are you?
Awesome. Our operations manager. We have the ultimate garden shed for you today. This is our man, Mr. KJ, Carl Johnson's sheds. I know he's around here somewhere, but what do we got going on?
Oh, g'day guys, how we going? Mate, Shane, how are you doing?
How you going?
Big fella,
KJ.
how's things? What's
Awesome.
happening?
We're just here, we've invaded, we're coming out to see your shed and find out how did you end up with such a cool shed, and how did we meet?
Welcome, hey listen, it's great to have you. This is definitely my baby, something I'm really proud of. I heard you say the ultimate garden shed. Wait till you see inside, I've got some great little tips in there. Listen, I met up with Waikato Sheds, Noble Sheds, about 6 or 7 years ago. Actually met you guys at field days.
Nice.
I was looking around, building a house, wanted to build a shed, looked around at field days, looked at so many opposition, kept coming back to Noble Sheds. Love the fact I could build it myself. So this baby, it's been built with these hands.
Yeah.
Loved it. Like it's the I guess it's a man's Meccano set really, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, 6 or 7 years ago, built it. Did have some help from Stan and Paul, you guys who, man, they are superstars, those two.
Shout out Paul, Stan, you legends, we love you.
So how long did it take you to build?
Like it probably took me a little longer than what I was anticipating. We were actually going to build the shed first, and we were going to store some stuff in there, but KJ didn't get around to that. But you know, with busy lives and stuff, I just built it on the weekends and stuff, and I'd never done it before, but I thought, oh, how hard can it be? Yeah. What was really cool was on the way, I had to make a couple of phone calls to you guys to help out, but certainly you guys, customer service was amazing, and I really enjoyed it. I learnt heaps, and it's really proud to say that I built this, you know, when people come around here and say, yep, built by me. Hasn't fallen over yet, so that's always a good sign, eh?
Never had one yet. And so the size of this thing, so it's 9 metres across here, 12 metres deep. What do we say, 3.5 metres to the gutter, and then
5.3 to the top.
Nice.
She's a beauty. Garden shed, eh?
Yeah, that's it, the ultimate garden shed.
Yeah.
Excellent.
No, it was really cool, and I guess for me, building something that was going to stand the test of time was really important. And to be honest too, my wife wanted it to kind of match in with the house. So the colour, the old grey friars, she's a beauty, matches our house, and we wanted it to make sure that it wasn't ugly or didn't stand out differently from the house. So we're really proud of it, and had lots of people always come here and they've heard about what's inside. They want to have a look themselves, A few treats in there.
Very nice.
Well, how about, will you show us what's inside? I know you've got a little special
this little thing, you know that, given I'm an old bugger, but have I got some toys? Look at this. Open sesame. How good, eh?
Garador, roller door.
Alarmed if anyone's looking.
Yeah. So we can get these installed on any shed, so you just gotta, ask us and we'll get them sorted out. So it's an awesome little feature. Have a remote control on the phone. Alright, so that's an awesome. Why don't we go on a tour, but we'll do that on another video.
Yeah.
So, anything else on the process of building this shed, KJ?
I guess the thing was the service along the way was awesome. I mean, as I said, I'd never built one, so I needed some help in a couple of areas, but it was actually, and I'll be honest, I've said it just before, it was like building a Meccano set. It was really cool. Follow the instructions, what most blokes aren't good at, but no, it was cool. Again, the fact that I built it, that's really special. And it saved me quite a bit of money. It didn't have to pay Stan and Paul all those dollars to build it. No, it was awesome. Obviously you can get it built if need be, by your contractors, I guess.
That's it. I would say half the sheds we do are kit sets. So, and we do them from guys like KJ that go build them themselves. We do them to builders. We do big industrial builds. So there's lots that we can do out there, but it is great, and we'll give full support as well. So that's it. Just like we've had our guys come out and help KJ, we've always got a crew of guys ready to go out there, help measure flashings, give advice. I think that's the big thing. You don't just, it doesn't all just turn up like a flat pack furniture and then good luck with it. We're there the whole time, being able to support and make sure.
Over 7 years, like you did your shed 7 years ago, in that time from then to now, our support we provide has got so much better. Like so many videos and photos, diagrams, and so I think we do a pretty good job.
You do a great job. And as I've always said at the end of these videos, you guys rock.
Awesome. Alright.
Good to hear.
Cheers, KJ. Alright.
Welcome.
Check out our next video. We're going to take a tour inside KJ's shed. So, like us, love us, comment, see what we're doing, subscribe, and we'll catch you shortly.
Awesome, guys.